Hello everyone, my name is Jeong Lee, and today I'm going to introduce you about my final intelligent agent project, which will be the private economic secretary. Here's the overview of my presentation. First, I will start with a brief executive summary outlining the problem, our solution idea, and the expected outcome. Then in motivation part, I will explain why this project matters and the pain point we aim to solve. Next, scope and objectives will clarify what we are building in this MVP and what success looks like. In technical architecture, I will show how the data flows into our app and how we implement it with Google Opal. Then I will walk through a case study focusing on identifying the core essence rather than just copying features. Finally, I will close with conclusion and demonstration, summarizing key insights and result explanation. So, let me begin with a quick executive summary. Today, investing is becoming essential for everyone, but markets are heavily influenced by both macroeconomic indicators and micro level company updates. This creates information overload and makes it hard for individuals to quickly understand what truly matters. Our solution is to take key signals from economic indicators to company news and distill them into a fast, actionable market brief with an automated analysis report. As a result, users can receive a concise analytical report tailored to the company or market they select, helping them make faster and more informed decisions. In today's market environment, retail investors face an overwhelming number of asset classes and constant volatility. Interpreting economic signals and market movement has become costly and time consuming without professional tools. Our service aims to bridge that gap by offering accessible, standardized, analysis grade reports so everyday investors can understand the market with clarity and confidence. Next, let's go over the scope and objectives. This service targets users who feel overwhelmed by volatility and too much information and who want clear decision ready insights. First, we provide a micro and sector radar to capture big picture signals like growth, inflation, interest rates, liquidity, and sector rotation. Second, we add micro level ticker intelligence summarizing margins, guidance, valuation multiples, and key catalysts for individual companies. Finally, we deliver a decision ready analysis card giving a concise view and actionable direction tailored to current market conditions. Here's the technical flow of our system. Users first select the report type and enter the company or ticker. That input goes into our analysis pipeline where we process the information and conduct deep research. From there, we generate both a decision focused analysis and a visual representation, which then combine into a final report. So, overall, it is a structured path from user input to automated research to a clear, actionable output. In this system, the users provide two simple inputs. First, they choose the type of report, for example, a financial analysis. Second, they enter the specific stock or company or a market and select the focus they want, such as microview or a technical snapshot. Using these inputs, the app analyzes the data and performs deeper research and then generates both the analysis and supporting visuals, finally delivering a clear, decision ready report. Then, this architecture combines deep research, visual generation, and decision analysis to turn a selected ticker into a compact, app ready analysis report. Finally, report will be provided to the user. On this slide, this is one of the example of our output, and the more detailed explanation of the output will be held in the later part, on the demonstration part. So let's move on to the next slide. So now let's talk about the first case study, the save ticker. SafeTicker is a real-time stock briefing app that curates price-moving news and market signals into concise summaries. Its core essence lies in real-time updates, stock essence summaries, one-place curation, an event calendar, and source diversity. The system ranks signals from multiple sources and presents a three-line brief per ticker on a single screen, supported by upcoming catalysts and verified sources. This helps users cut through noise and make faster, more confident decisions. Next is the second case study, Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance is a comprehensive market platform that centralizes price, news, and fundamentals around user watch lists. Its core essence is a watchlist first hub combining codes, charts, aggregated news, fundamentals, and valuation data, plus calendars and alerts. The platform normalizes real time feeds and public feelings into unified entity pages and surfaces relevant updates through alerts and lightweight analytics. This reduces context switching and time to insights, helping users move from passive monitoring to more confident decisions. So, to conclude, both Save and Yahoo Finance focus on fast, watch list driven market views by aggregating news, basic chart, fundamentals, and event alerts to reduce time to insight. Our approach builds on this foundation but shift the focus to a 5-day or 10-day what's hot snapshot using one screen curation and schema checked, source diverse 3-line briefs for rapid scanning. What truly differentiates our app is that for each ticker, we go beyond aggregation, producing a report style analysis, simplifying expert materials for non specialists like us, and providing a clear investment view alongside the summary. So now we are gonna look at our demo. The above links are the app link for the service. So first, let's start with asking about Samsung Electronics. So user type Samsung Electronics, technical snapshot, and about the horizon, maybe 1 to 3 months. On this screen, the app generates a concise analysis report for the selected company. At the top, it provides a high level summary highlighting key performance drivers and overall market context. The report then organizes financial result, profitability, and guidance into clear, readable sections focusing on what happened, why it matters, and what to watch next. And on the first part, you could see the image generated by the AI and briefly explaining about the report through this image. Next, the app goes one step deeper by analyzing management guidance, valuation multiples, and forward looking catalyst. Key factors such as product momentum, market recovery, and strategic investment are grouped and explained to clarify what may influence future performance. There are also the reference here. And finally, the app presents a stock price outlook across different time horizons. It translates the analysis into clear investment recommendations supported by trend direction, confidence levels, and key drivers, helping users understand how to position themselves over time. Now, let's look at the other example of using this service by asking the market of United States. So users type United States, and this time the macro and sector overview, and the horizon will be the 6 to 12 months. Oops, sorry. On this screen, the app analyzes the broader market context of US by summarizing key macroeconomic factors such as growth, inflation, interest rates, and labor conditions over a selected time horizons. This gives users a quick understanding of the macro environment shaping overall market and sector performance. Next, the app translates this micro view into a sector level perspective, highlighting which sectors are expected to outperform or underperform and explaining the key drivers behind each trend. This makes it easy to see where momentum is building and how different sectors may react to changing economic conditions. And finally, the app organizes these insights by time horizon, classifying sectors into strong buy, hold, or avoid, or for the short, medium, and long term. This helps users align sector positioning with their own investment time frame. Thank you for your attention.